Hello friends, we are doing chapter number 1 GST. Until question number 13 we have finished in earlier videos. Today we will start from question number 14. A dealer in Delhi buy an article for 16,000 rupees from a wholesaler in Delhi. He sells the article to a consumer in Rajasthan at a profit of 25%. If the rate of GST is 5%, find the tax under GST paid by the wholesaler to the government, the tax under GST paid by the dealer to the government, and the amount which the consumer pay for the article. So here this first deal is intrastate. So GST will 5% will go 2.5% as CGST and 2.5% as SGST. So for dealer cost price is 16,000 rupees. So input CGST will be 2.5% of 16,000 equal to 400 rupees. Similarly, input SGST also will be 400 rupees. So the tax paid by wholesaler to the government will be input SGST 400 rupees, input CGST 400 rupees. But for consumer, cost price is 16,000 plus 25% of 16,000 because he is selling about 25%. So 25% of 16,000, 4,000 rupees. So cost price for consumer will be 20,000 rupees. This second deal is interstate. So in this case GST will be IGST, 5% IGST. So IGST will be 5% of 20,000 equal to 1,000 rupees. Second part, the tax paid by the dealer. So tax, how much tax he will pay? Output tax minus input tax. So output tax is this IGST 1,000 rupees and input tax is 400 rupees he pays as CGST, 400 rupees he pays as SGST. So take the difference between output tax and input tax, that is equal to 200 rupees, and this 200 rupees will go for the central government. Third part, amount paid by the consumer. Consumer, he pays 20,000 as cost price and then 1,000 rupees as tax. So total amount he will pay 21,000 rupees. Question number 15. A shopkeeper in Delhi buy an article at the printed price of 24,000 from a wholesaler in Mumbai. The shop sells the article to a consumer in Delhi at profit of 15% on the basic cost price. If the rate of GST is 12%, find the price inclusive of tax under GST at which the shopkeeper bought the camera. In book it is mentioned wholesaler, but here shopkeeper will come. Second part, the amount which the consumer pay for the article. Third part, the amount of tax received by the state government of Delhi. And fourth, the amount of tax received by the central government. So here this first deal is interstate. It means GST 12%, total will be IGST 12%. So for shopkeeper, cost price is 24,000. So here IGST will be 12% of 24,000 equal to 2,880 rupees. So the total amount paid by the shopkeeper will be cost price plus tax, 26,880 rupees. Second deal in this question is intrastate. So in this case 12% GST will divide half, 6% CGST, 6% SGST. Now for consumer, cost price is 24,000 plus 15% of 24,000 because he is getting above 15% of that. So 24,000 plus 3,600 equal to 27,600 rupees. So output CGST will be 6% of 27,600 equal to 1,656 rupees. Similarly, SGST will be 1,656 rupees. So second part, amount paid by the consumer will be the cost price plus both the tax. So total will be 30,912 rupees. Third part, the amount of tax received by the state government. So you can do here output GST minus input IGST. Total output tax and input tax. So output tax is 1656, 1656, total 3312 minus input tax was 2880 rupees. So difference between output and input tax 432 rupees will be received by the state government. Fourth part, GST received by the central government. So here IGST by the wholesaler and GST by the shopkeeper. So already wholesaler has paid 2880 rupees for a central government. So now here shopkeeper will not pay anything for the central government. It will be 0 for shopkeeper. So GST received by central government will be 2880 rupees. Question number 16. A dealer in Maharashtra buy an article from a wholesaler in Maharashtra at a discount of 25%. The printed price of the article being 20,000. He sells the article to a consumer in Telangana at a discount of 10% on the printed price. If the rate of GST is 12%, find the tax paid by the wholesaler to the government, the tax paid by the dealer to the government. Third part, the amount which the consumer pay for the article. In this question, here discount is given 25%, but the answer in your book is according to 20%. I have done calculation according to 25%. So it's your wish, you can change it here 20% or you can change the answer. So first deal is here intra-state. So GST 12% will divide half, 6% as CGST, 6% as SGST. So for dealer, cost price is 20,000 minus 25% of 20,000 because he is getting 25% discount. Discount means we have to subtract. So 20,000 minus 5,000, 15,000 is here cost price for dealer. So input CGST will be 6% of 15,000, 900 rupees. Input SGST also will be 6% of 15,000, 900 rupees. So tax paid by wholesaler to the government will be 900 at CGST, 900 as SGST. Now for consumer is getting 10% discount. So 20,000 minus 10% of 20,000. So it will be equal to 18,000. This second deal is inter-state between two states. So here GST 12%, total will be IGST 12%. So output IGST will be 12% of 18,000 equal to 2,160 rupees. So second part, tax paid by the dealer to the government will be output tax minus input tax. Output tax is here 2,160 rupees and input tax is 900 plus 900, 1,800 rupees. So difference between this is 360 rupees. Third part, amount paid by the consumer. Consumer paid 18,000 as cost price and along with that 2,160 rupees as tax. So total will be 20,160 rupees. Question number 17. Kiran purchased an article for 5,310 rupees which includes 10% rebate. Rebate means discount on the mark price and 18% tax under GST on the remaining price. Find the mark price of the article. So in this question, mark price is not given. We have taken, let mark price is 100 rupees. You can take as X also, it's your wish. So I have taken here mark price as 100 rupees. Next, rebate discount 10% is there. So selling price will be 100 minus 10% of 110. So 90 rupees. Now on this 90 rupees, 18% tax. So GST 18% of 90 rupees is 16 rupees 20 paise. So selling price will be selling price with tax will be 90 rupees plus this tax. So 106 rupees 20 paise. Now we can use shortcut method to find out the mark price. When I have taken mark price as 100 rupees, so selling price with tax is coming 106 rupees 20 paise. Suppose mark price is X, in that case selling price with tax is coming 5,310 rupees. It is given in question. We can do the cross multiplication. Then X into 106 rupees 20 paise is equal to 5,310 rupees multiplied by 100. This 106 rupees 20 paise shift another side, do the calculation. then you will get X is 5,000 rupees. Question number 18. A shopkeeper buys an article whose list price is 8,000 at some rate of discount from a wholesaler. He sells the article to a consumer at the list price. The sale are intra-state and the rate of GST is 18%. If the shopkeeper pay a tax of 72 rupees to the state government, find the rate of discount at which he bought the article from the wholesaler. So here discount is not given. Discount we have to find out. So let discount is X%. So cost price of an article will be marked price minus discount. So marked price is 8,000 rupees minus X% of 8,000. Calculate, you will get 80X. Because this deal is intrastate, so GST 18% will divide half of 9% CGST, 9% SGST. So CGST and IGST will be 9% of 8,000 minus 8x. No need to calculate, we can keep it like this only. Now for consumer is purchasing this article at the list price at 8,000. So consumer is paying CGST and SGST 9% of 8,000. That is equal to 720 rupees. So the tax paid by shopkeeper to the state government, according to the question, it is 72 rupees. And according to our calculation, it should be output SGST minus input SGST. So output SGST is 720 rupees and input SGST is 9% of 800 minus 8x. And we can equate with given value in question. After this, shift the number one side, 9% of 8,000 minus 8x, keep one side. This thing you can shift here, 720 minus 72. Then after 720 minus 72, you will get 648. Then this 9% means 9 by 100, shift another side. Then 8,000 minus 80x is equal to 7,200. Do the calculation here. Then 80x is equal to 8,000 minus 7,200 equal to 800. So x value will be 800 by 80 equal to 10%. Thank you for watching.